Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech and baby gear expert here at the pump station and nursery. And we have the new Cybex Callisto G 360 swivel car seat. We're going to unbox it and we'll have it as a floor sample for all of you to be able to see. Let's get this open. The Callisto G 360 gives you all the convenience and safety you could ask for in a car seat. You've got an easy rotation. There's a gray tab on both sides of the chair. You can squeeze either one of them, and it allows you to rotate the car seat a full 360. So that's going to make it easier to get the child in and out of the car if they're fussier, and it's also going to make it easy to go from rear to front facing. So if you're using it for multiple children, no matter what size they are, you can do that adjustment very easy to make sure that they're sitting in your vehicle properly and, of course, safely. And in terms of extra safety features, you're going to get the side impact protection. You're going to get an integrated steel frame. You're going to get an anti-rebound bar and also a top tether, which you always want to use whenever you do this installation. And speaking of installation, the new lock-off device on the Callisto is extremely easy. And because this rotates, it's the same installation whether you're using it rear or front facing. If you wanted to use this for a newborn right off the bat, the Callisto does have an infant foam piece and infant padding. The foam piece is used up to 11 pounds and the pad is used up to 20 pounds. So when your child is bigger, you can take off the smaller headrest and body pillow. The cup holders can twist off and remove to make it easy to wash. You've got ventilation on the side and around the frame of the car seat to make it more breathable, especially for the hot city areas. Because this is a Cybex car seat, you get your SensorSafe buckle. So make sure you download the SensorSafe app on your phone and sync it up with your Callisto, and it'll give you notifications if the child unbuckles themselves while you're driving, if the child needs a break from sitting in the car, or if you accidentally leave them in the vehicle. You've got magnets on both sides of the chair, so that way you can keep the straps out of the way while you're getting the child in and out of the car seat. You've got a no rethread harness. So as your child gets taller, you can just lift up the headrest, which also lifts up the shoulder straps. So you don't need to make any adjustments behind the car seat. The Callisto has ventilation around the frame of the car seat to allow for more airflow and a more breathable comfort sitting position for your little one. Now, probably the coolest feature the Callisto has is the fact that it actually has an optional canopy already included. So parents love the infant car seat with canopies because it protects the child from the sun. And now you have it on an all-in-one car seat. And all-in-one means that you can use it from newborn until the child is done with car seats. So in rear-facing mode, it's good from birth until 50 pounds. The longer the child is rear-facing, the more head, neck, back, and spine protection they get. In front-facing mode, it goes up to 65 pounds or 49 inches. And then when the child has outgrown the 5-port harness, they can use it as a high back booster. Currently, the Cybex Callisto G 360 is on pre-sale in 2 colors, and there are limited quantities. So if you want to make sure that one is reserved for you, you can purchase here at our store at 2727 Main Street in Santa Monica, or through our website, pumpstation.com. We ship all around the country. And don't forget, you also get your pump station perk. When you buy the car seat through us, your first installation is free, either here on site at our store, or we can do a virtual appointment for those of you who are not local. So definitely check out the Callisto, check out the cool new features, and see if this is the right car seat for you and your family.